In this session, we are going to learn about how to create your first Cordova project for Android application. First, go to your computer, then any of your drive. So for now I am using my D drive. Here create one folder where you will store all your Cordova related project. So this will be my directory like Cordova app. Now I have created Cordova app directory. Now go to CMD and navigate to that directory. So I have created a directory in the D drive. CD, then Cordova app. Now here if I see dir, then there is no files present in my directory. So now I have to create one Cordova project. So to create Cordova project, we have commands like, we are creating Cordova, so first command will be Cordova. Now we have to give our project name. So suppose I am giving hello. Now I have to give my package name. If you have previously created any Android application using Android Studio, then you will come to know that when you give a project name, below that there is one package. So package name is like your domain name. Package name is like domain name plus your project name or application name. So suppose I have a package name com.example and I have a application called hello. So this is my folder which will create on my hard disk. Then this will be my package name. So this one is the package name. Now next is app name, which will display when we install our application. That is based on us what we are giving. So here I am giving hello world. So when I install my application, then the name of the app will be shown as hello world. So what I have to do is here I have to give hello, which is my folder name, then com.example dot hello space hello world. So currently I don't have any app based which name is hello, so I have to create Cordova, then create, because I am creating Cordova create. Guys, follow this command carefully. So Cordova create, this is my project name, which will create one folder on my drive. So Cordova create hello. Now com.example.hello, this is my package name and this is my app name. Whatever you want you can give. Now hit enter and wait for some time to create this project. Creating a new project, Cordova project. Now if I do dir, here you will see that project is showing. Now if you go to the directory, here also hello. Inside that these are the packages which Cordova create. So this is package, if you see here, which my application needed, like the name of the application, then display name, which after installing the application will display. This is the version, then a description, then the main folder which will launch when I launch my application. If there is any error, then it will display error notice specified. Now keyword and author. So if you see Cordova is based on Apache license, so it is showing like this. Now again, here is www file. Inside that there are CSS, images, JS and index. So these all are files which will launch on my when my application launch. And if I want to add some extra files and all, then I have to add inside this all, like HTML, then whatever images I want to put in my application, then that will go in the image directory. Then again whatever JS file I want to add, that will go into the JS directory, and whatever CSS I want. So this is my main directory where I have to work. This is plugin. Suppose you want to use camera or any other inbuilt Android functionality, then we have to include the plugin. And here is the platform means which operating system we are targeting this application. So currently we are working for Android, so I have to install that Android platform. For that, what I have to do is I have to go to that application. So cd hello. Now I am inside the application. Now I have to run a command called Cordova platform, because I want to add the platform. My platform will be Android. So Cordova platform, then add an Android. I can give -- save, but that is optional. So Android, and wait for some time. It will download file from Cordova library, and then it will include inside this platform folder. So now here you can see it is showing message that using Cordova fetch for Cordova Android. Now it's showing the message adding Android projects. Now creating Cordova project for Android platform, then adding Android path to Android, that platform / Android, then package, then name, activity that will be main, and target is Android 28. Now if you go to this directory, refresh that, so we are in platform. Now as you can see here, it's showing Android. Now it is showing Cordova plugin whitelist. Now you can see my plugin has been installed. Here you can check Android, then all the files which required to run the Cordova. So then library, Cordova app. So now our next task is to build this application to install on my device. So to build the application, what we have to do is Cordova build. It used to build the application, but as I have discussed in my first session only, that when we are developing Cordova application, then we can target either Android, either iOS, and either BlackBerry or Windows Phone or any other, whatever mobile phone are available, mobile OS are available. So if you see here in my platform, I have only Android, but maybe in future when you are going to develop application, then you will target Android as well as iOS and all. So that time, to build the application, you have to specify on which target you want to build. So you have to give that target either iOS, either Android. For now, our command will be look like build Android. Now one more thing, we don't have any different platform. So what we can do is we can fire the command like Cordova build. It will automatically detect if there is only one version, then it will understand that we need to build for that particular version. So there is only Android. So what I can do is Cordova build, and now it will take some time to build and download some files from the internet which required for this. Now you can see it is using JDK, checking JDK whether JDK is available or not. That's why I told in the previous session that we need JDK first. Then it is checking Android root directory, then Android home directory. Home directory is where SDK present because it requires SDK, and it will check for some other files and download whatever file is not present. But these files are compulsory. If they are not present, it will give you error and your application will terminate here only. So now you can see here, after checking the paths, it's checking Gradle. My build has been done. It takes so much time because it downloads some files, then check component. It's happening first time, so it required so many files to be checked and install and downloads. So after that, once you done build, you will see one message like d:\cordova app/ this is my project name /hello. So this is my directory, this is my project name, platforms, Android app build output apk debug app.debug.app-debug.apk. This is the file. This file I can also copy from this path. If you see, copy, go to this path. Here you can see app.debug.app-debug.apk. This file you can also copy on your memory or SD card, and after that you can also run. But here what I am doing is I am running directly using USB. Here as you can see, I have connected my device. This is my phone which I have connected using USB. So here you can see. Now I want to directly run this file, this app on my phone. So what I do is Cordova run, and now again I am mentioning that I have only Android, so I don't have to mention the platform, so it automatically detect because I have only one platform. So run. Now it will run the file and it will install on my device. Now as you can see, it's loading all the files. It is loading directory and app module and all. So wait for some time, like 30 to 40 seconds. Compiling. Now it's, see, again it is created. So here as you can see, this is my app name Hello World, which I have created, and this is my device ID. Once you run this command Cordova run, then it will create one APK file in your this directory, and after that it automatically execute the command which will install on your phone. And once I open this, you can see this is my default page. So thank you guys.